Buster's going crazy, squeaking while I'm filming, as usual. Anyway, welcome back to the channel. Glad you could join us. Today we're going to make vegetable spring rolls. You're killing me with this, bud. Hello. I'm trying to film here, bud. Anyway, today we're going to make vegetable spring rolls, and then we're going to make two easy to make sauces, a peanut sauce and a ponzu sauce for dipping. Alright, here's everything we need for the ponzu sauce. We got 2 tablespoons of rice wine vin, a 1/3 cup of bonita flakes, 2 tablespoons of sweet rice wine, a pinch of red pepper flakes, 2 tablespoons of fresh honey, 1/2 cup of soy sauce, and a 1/2 cup of lime juice. I'm going to mix the honey up. We're going to throw everything in it. Lime juice. Throw all the liquids in first. And we'll throw the flakes. Then we throw the bonita flakes. Take a little taste. Perfect. Now we're going to put this aside and do the peanut sauce. Now we're going to measure out 3 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. This is the My Ploy. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. A 1/2 of lemon juice. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And then we're going to throw in a 1/2 cup peanut butter. And we're going to mix it. Give her a taste. I'm going to add the other 1/2 of the lemon juice. Also going to add, so that's 3 tablespoons of water, just to thin it out a little bit. Now we're going to put that aside, and we're going to chop up some fresh cilantro and throw in it. You do cilantro, you want to fold it all under, try and get it to one little bunch. Cut it as fine as you can. That should be enough. There you go. Bring this back up. Then mix that cilantro around. There you go. There's the peanut sauce. Now we can start cutting the vegetables for the spring rolls. Alright, this is all our ingredients for spring rolls. I have cilantro, fresh mango, red bell pepper, carrot, sea breeze, seaweed salad, cucumber, Chinese cabbage, and vermicelli noodles, which is long grain rice noodles. I'm going to prep this one at a time. Bell peppers. I like to trim my bell peppers like that. Clean all the whites out of the bell pepper. We're just going to push it down, and we're going to make strips. Now, if you notice that this bell pepper wasn't all together, I used it for the last dish that I made, which was that garlic shrimp. We're going to bust out the old trusty mandolin. There's our carrots. Peel the cucumber, cut the edges off. For the cucumber, we really don't want the seeds in it. We're going to cut like a box around the cucumber. And hopefully we keep all the seeds out. Now we can cut these. Chinese cabbage, took a couple leaves off. We're going to take out this vein. The reason why we're taking this out, because this is the hard part. Alright, so then we put it back together like that. Lay it over. And then, there you go. We're going to pull a couple more pieces, because we're going to add these big ones to the 2 couple wraps too. So this we'll set aside. Now we're going to prep the mango. Tip off. Alright, so now we just want to slice mango like that. Now we're going to slice this up. There you go, there's all our prepped vegetables that we're going to use, and mango. Alright, now let's start rolling. Alright, so we're going to take a spring roll wrap. We're going to dip it in the water, put some more water, put that down, put bell peppers, cucumbers, carrots, some mango. Mango is beautiful. And then cilantro. Stuck to the board. Fold that over. Fold that over. Fold this over. Tuck. Tuck. And roll. Pulling it tighter as you roll. Now you can put avocado in this. You can put anything you want in it. Fold it over. Now you're just tucking. Tuck it and roll and tighten it as you go. There you go. Let's do one more. Cilantro. Oop. Fold it over. Fold it over. Tuck and roll. There you go. Beautiful fresh spring rolls with peanut sauce and ponzu and a seafood salad. Technique on that is tuck and roll. See, Buster agrees. Tuck and roll. So what do you think about that one, Buster? Guess he liked that one. Anyway, as always, thank you for joining us. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. We'll see what we do on the next one. Hit the like button, subscribe, share. Have a nice day. Aloha.